Hey there. So this video series is going to give a rundown on the core techniques and approaches to 5-axis machining, both indexed and continuous surface machining. We're going to be working on this obviously non-production part because it shows a fairly good range of different elements and approaches required, as well as allowing us to exhibit the simpler ways of being able to achieve an otherwise very complicated result. So we will start off with the basic roughing processes and then go through a series of refinements using index machining up until we get to the point of having to make use of continuous machining and then applying our finishing touches. So throughout the range of this course we will get progressively more complex until we've finalised the part at the very end. I hope to see you in the next video.